how can we blur only part of the image using Photopea? After you load your image, be sure the layer with the image is active. Then head to the left and search for the blur tool. Look like a little water drop here. With this tool, you will be able to set up the size of the brush and hardness and how strong the blur should be. By default, it should be 50%. And with brush like that, we can blur only elements we paint over. So let's try to paint over her face and blur that. It's working, but it's pretty slow. So I'm going to increase the straight of this to 75 and also size of the brush will be a bit larger. Okay. And now we can keep painting until we got proper blur in this area. Can like paint over the same area multiple times to keep blurring it. All right, it's kind of blurry, but it's not what most of us need. Okay, so that's the blur tool. It's on the list. It can get the job done, but let's try once more with different method. This time I'm going to make a selection first. So we got many different tools that we can do selection with. Let's do ellipse selection. Again, same target, this lady here. We make this simple ellipse selection around her head, then head for filter. Be sure the layer is selected with the image, filter, and then blur, Gaussian blur. And the blur will only happen inside the selection. So we will not blur the whole image, we will blur only part of it. Just like that. Alright, and let me show you just one more method, my favorite one. Duplicate the original layer, so right click, duplicate, and now head to filter without any selection, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, adjust how strong the blur should be. Alright, okay. Now you can apply a mask on this layer with the blur, so put the mask on it. Mask is white, so it's not really working. Let's put the black color on the white mask, so it will mask the whole layer. I use bucket tool for that. It's hidden just below gradient. Okay, I put the black color inside the mask. If I now swap to brush and use the white color, I will be unmasking this blue layer. So I can now use that to unmask what I want to blur. Take a look, I can blur everybody's eyes. So we're kind of showing part of that blur layer above with this white brush. That's my favorite method because it's non-destructive. So in any moment, I can now grab the black brush and get her face sharp again. Alright? So here are 3 different techniques that can help you to do a partial blur of your image using the free editor called Photopea. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.